In this guide, we'll show you how to wire a Pureline Easy Fit 1.65 horsepower for a 115-volt circuit. Tools you'll need. Step 1. Remove the drive display. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, remove these 4 screws. Step 2. Unplug the display cable. Press the cable's locking latch, then pull up to remove it safely from the board. Step 3. Connect the conduit. Connect the conduit and its liquid tight fitting to the motor's control box, then pull the wires through the conduit. Step 4. Prep your wire ends. Using your needle nose pliers, bend the wire ends into a candy cane shape to ensure solid contact with the terminals. Step 5. Connect the ground wire. Using your 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen the green screw, connect the ground wire, then retighten the ground screw. Step 6. Connect the power wire. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen the L1 terminal screw, connect the hot wire to L1, then retighten the L1 terminal screw. Step 7. Connect the neutral wire. Using your 1/4-inch nut driver, loosen the L2 terminal screw, connect the white neutral wire, then retighten the terminal screw. Step 8. Plug the display cable back into the motor's PCB. Step 9. Reinstall the display. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, retighten the 4 screws to install the drive display. That covers the steps for wiring the Pureline Easy Fit pump for 115 volts. If you have any additional questions, visit us at inyopools.com.